Yeah. Some wild radish there. Yeah. Real quick, guys. I'm going to talk about a plant real quick, buddy. This is wild radish. It's actually invasive here, so feel free to harvest it anytime you want. It has white to purplish flowers. Here we see, I'm going to go ahead and pick it because it doesn't matter, it's invasive. Here you see white flowers. On this one, you see purple flowers. This is both wild radish. And the fruits on it, the main thing you want to eat are these little fruits that come off here. And these are perfect eating right now. And it tastes... Good job. That's a pokey plant. That's Italian thistle. So the main edible part to this is this part right here. This is the fruit. Tastes exactly like a radish from the store. This is a smaller fruit, but it's really tender. As you see, as the plant ages, these fruits get a lot bigger, but they do develop seeds in them. So it is better eating when they're younger. Really cool plant. Alright, go ahead, babe. You're right. Here we have what plant is that? Is that the wild radish we were just talking about? Yeah, those pretty purple flowers, and you guys can see the fruits on it. We have another radish up there with big fruits. They almost look like pea pods.
Like this one.
That is a willow. We'll talk about willows later on. Willows have some awesome survival uses and a really cool medicinal quality, which we will cover in another video. Look at all these radishes.
Ooh, I found something behind you.
Lots of radishes growing here.
I found a plant behind you.
Oh yeah, that's an anise. A fennel. Okay, let's keep going to the island. That's another fennel. And as you guys have seen before, horsetail. There's a whole cluster of horsetail down here. Yeah. That is mule fat. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're almost to our island. Yeah. That's right. We're not going to cross here. It's a little deep. Let's keep going. There's another radish here, guys. This one has white and purple flowers and big seeding fruits. Once the fruits are getting this big, it's not that great eating.
Whoa, that's not a blue one.
Yeah, do you see the damselfly?
That's not a blue one.
Yeah. Okay, keep going.
No, butterfly.
It's a beautiful day out, huh?
Oh, bee.
Yeah, it's a bee. It's okay, it won't hurt you. Just keep walking.
Ooh, bee.
Lots of them, huh?
And talking to our environment, that means we have honey on him.
Oh, yeah. Okay, go ahead. What's the lizard?
What is that?
The western fence lizard.
Look. See that seed?
Uh-huh. Okay, we're almost there, and there's a big waterfall here too, Arias.
I see one.
I know, keep going. We're gonna go there.
We haven't picked them before.
I know. Okay, come on, baby. This ain't too bad. We can cross this. It's a little muddy. Let me try not to get a hook in my hand here. All right, hold my hand. And you see the logs? Try to step on the logs so you don't step in the water. Good boy. Okay, now I'm gonna cross first, but watch what I do. See how I step on these logs? And that way my whole foot doesn't get wet as I get my fishing pole in a bush. Okay. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Okay, give me your hand. You got this. Look at you. Look at you. Look at, this is our little forest now that we get to play in. Let's just be real quiet as we approach the water because we're going to fish here, okay?
Oh, that's sand.
Just sand. Okay, and be real careful what you touch. Sometimes there's dirty trash here on the ground. Like over here, look at this. It's ridiculous. See, fishermen like this piss me off. Like worm containers, another worm container over here. These guys don't even deserve to be called anglers. They just chums. But on a positive note, let's look how crystal clear that water is. It's beautiful. Go.